Hello everyone, this is Ravi again, your friendly neighborhood Indian guy from TBO Media again. Today we're going to be covering a chatbot that I've created using this YouTube channel as a base, so as a knowledge base. So what we're trying to do is that we're trying to get all of the information from this YouTube channel and stick it as a knowledge base for a chatbot. So whenever the chatbot is asked the question, it will pull from the knowledge base of this YouTube channel and not anywhere else. Okay. And to give you a little bit about context about this YouTube channel, Robert Krager and the Flip Flop Flippers, these guys are actually quite cool. I've had the opportunity to speak to them on a number of occasions, and they really do try and do well, and they do try and provide value. So if you're interested in real estate or flipping houses or anything like that, then I do highly recommend that you watch this YouTube channel, and you will derive a lot of utility from it. Okay, so let's get started. This is essentially what I mean by creating a chatbot that will mimic the YouTube channel. Okay, so over here, let's just say, okay, how can I get started with real estate? Oh, yeah, something else that I wanted to tell you is that these guys also have their own school community, and yeah, uh, they've also got a school community which you can join, and it's a community to like network and to basically get your first deals out on real estate. So definitely check it out. I'll have a link of it in the description below in this channel. So yeah. So this is the reply that we're getting from the chatbot. So to get started with real estate investing, here's some steps that you can follow based on my experience. So this is basically mimicking Robert, the guy from the YouTube channel. So research your market, choose your investment strategy, identify your first property, financing your purchase, and join a community. So I have a community at this link. So it has their school community. This is their paid community, but they've also definitely got a free community, which is right here. I will link it in the description, which is here. You can network and you can do a bunch of other stuff. As I said, these guys are really cool. I form part of this community myself, and I could recommend. I do definitely recommend it. So yeah, and also he posts a video how to buy your next rental property, which is basically just some extra information if you want to like deal with that. So let's get on to actually building what this is. Okay, the tools we're going to use today are either instant data scraper. We're going to use a tool called Apify. Now, Apify, there is actually a paid version, but I think that $50 for what we're going to be using it is a little bit much. So right now I'm going to be using the free, my free account, which gives you access to around about $5, which is definitely an amazing resource that they're giving you right now. So definitely check it out, and if you do want to pay the $50 per month, then that's up to you. It's also a good investment if you're going to use it. So yeah, let's get started. So here we go onto the flip flop flippers, and on videos, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be using this instant data scraper. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scroll down as much as possible so that we get as many videos as possible on this data scraper. So we're going down 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. You can also do this via Apify. There is also an agent. The way that Apify works is that there's a bunch of actors, yeah, which can scrape data from pretty much any site, yeah, like for example TikTok, Facebook posts, Google Map Extractor, whatever you want really. And over here what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be searching for YouTube. So here are all the scrapers that are using YouTube. So fast YouTube channel data scraper is this one. You can basically plop in your URL, and it will basically give you all of the videos that YouTube channel is basically got. And also the one that we're going to be using today, I've used this one, which works pretty well, but you have to pay $20 for it, so I'm not going to be using this right now. So I'm going to be using YouTube channel. I'm going to be using this one. I've already got it open, YouTube Transcript Ninja, and we're going to see how this works. Starting from, so yeah, okay. So that's something that you should probably read if you're going to be using Apify. So yeah, let's get started. On the flip-flop flippers, we're going to go down as much as possible. We're going to get 9 months, 10 months, 11 months, and 1 year's worth of videos, and we're going to be using the instant data scraper. Instant data scraper, you just go to your Google Chrome, you search for Google instant data scraper, and you should be able to search for it here, and you can just download it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right now is scraping all of this data. Yep. And please wait. So we're going to be waiting. Right, so that's finished loading. So as you can see, we get all this data. So we get the YouTube simple endpoint hrefs, and we get all of this information as well. So this is basically the titles of the YouTube videos. These are the when they were published, the views, etc., etc. Okay, so what we're going to be using is just a simple YouTube endpoint reference. So what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to just download an XLS file, or just copy it all and just paste it in an Excel document. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Hang on. So here I've got my Excel, and now what we're going to be using is pasting. All right, cool. So let's just close that because I don't really need that. I removed the files and I've saved the files I needed. Okay. Yeah, so here we've got that YouTube channel here pasted. So all I'm going to do is that I'm just going to delete all of the rest of the information because I don't really need it. So I'm going to delete all of that, and now all I've got is the simple YouTube endpoints, which I'm going to just copy all of them, which is like 240 videos. So we're going to copy that, and we are going to go into our data scraper, YouTube Transcript Ninja, and we're going to bulk edit, and we're going to paste all of that in here. And we're going to click set, and that's going to have all of our data in here. Also to know is that you can also do other automations and flows whenever you want. So basically add schedule, you can basically do this like once a month if you truly want to like be pernickety about it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to do it this way. And then in a future date, if I so need to keep this up, then I will add a schedule to it, like for example monthly, and yeah, then we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Okay. So for now, we're just going to run that. We're going to save and start. Here we go. And that's basically just going to go over all of these YouTube videos, and it's just going to be extracting all of the transcript information. So whilst that works, I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to just do other stuff. Right, so as you can see, this is already finished running, and here we've got the URLs, the video title, and the transcript of the conversation. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be exporting the 240 results. As we said, 240 videos that were on our Excel, as you can see. 240. 241 because if you include the title. And now what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be doing downloading it in yeah, let's do an Excel or a JSON. Hang on a second, give me a second. So what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be downloading this in a JSON format. So we're going to be downloading all of it, so the URL, the video title, and the transcript. So we're not going to select anything, we're not going to select anything right here, and we're just going to download that. And that's basically downloading, and it's downloaded. Okay, great. So what we're going to be doing right now is that we're going to be basically creating a new assistant, which you basically create over here. This is the assistant ID, which we'll be using later. And over here, we're going to be just doing assistant based on flop channel, and also in here we're going to be putting our file in a vector storage. What a vector storage is that it is a storage way which basically takes 400, I think it's 400 tokens, and well, it takes 800 tokens per how to say chunk, and if the text is over 800 tokens, then it will basically take 800 tokens, and then 800 tokens in the middle, so that there's no so that there's overlap and no piece of information is left unchecked. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be choosing the turbo model, the 4.0 mini, because I've been using it, and it does give like very good answers, very good yeah, very good answers. So here's the vector storage. Hang on. Right, so now we're going to be untitled vector store. Yeah, and we're going to be renaming that Robert YouTube channel storage. Robert 240 videos YouTube channel storage. We're going to click save that, and right now we're just going to be adding the file that we got from our dataset. So I'm just going to rename that quickly, and we're just going to copy that and we're going to paste it in there. So okay, maybe not. We're going to be adding files, and we're just going to, okay, now we can upload that. Okay, great, so that's uploading. It's not a very big file, it's 3 megabytes, which is pretty cool. And so now that's done. So now we're going to be attaching it to our assistant, which is here. So we just basically click here on the file search, and we select the vector storage. The vector storage ID, as we were saying before, is this one. So we're going to copy it and we're going to paste it in there. Okay, great. So we're going to select that and boom, done. Right. Something else that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be pasting the assistant instructions. So I've already got an instructions set up. so that I don't have to like do it all over again in this video. So this is basically how I usually structure my ChatGPT prompts. So it's basically an identity. You're telling the chatbot what kind of personality you wanted to have, and you're just telling it, oh yeah, the transcripts of Robert's videos are found in the files. The style, how it should respond. I've basically had to say, told it that if you can't answer with the database, it should just respond with I don't know. That way, if someone tells the ChatGPT, oh yeah, how can like my dog get defleeced or something like that, you know, the chatbot is just going to say I don't know, just, you know, just ask someone else maybe. Recommend the videos in the form of URLs from the database, which is what we were doing before. The response guidelines, if the user asks for more active mentoring, inform them that there's a paid community within the group with more one-to-one support at the following URL. That's a paid community from the school. And basically the task is to answer the questions and ask the users to join the paid community if they want more dedicated support. Right, okay, so that's done. And now we're basically just going to go into the playground and we're going to check out how this is performing. Okay, so here we go. Hey, do you have any advice for someone starting out in real estate? So that's finished executing, and as you can see, it's basically giving you a pretty good list of things that you can read, and it's giving you how to say a link that is right here. So what are the best ways to invest in real estate? And that was a year ago. So yeah, it's working pretty well. And now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be copying this assistant, and we're going to be putting it in this little nifty OpenAssistantGPT. Okay. So here on OpenAssistantGPT, we're going to create a new chatbot. Yeah, create chatbot. Now we've import OpenAI assistant. So I've already how to say. I've already created my chatbot. I've already imported a chatbot that already exists in the OpenAI platform. Okay, so I need to make an OpenAI API key. Just give me a second. So here we go. We're going to create a new secret key. We're going to be testing key default project. Yeah, default project. I'll have a look at how to use project-based API keys for more granular control over my resources. Yeah, I'm just going to create the secret key now. We're going to copy that. That's done. Okay. And now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be pasting that in here. No, in here. OpenAI API key. And in here, we're going to be pasting our Assistant API AI key. Okay. And then here. Okay. Welcome message. How can I help you? And we're just going to create that. And oh, okay. Robert Crater. Cool bean. Right, so I've basically created this chatbot, and we're just going to test it out. Let's see. Hey, do you think networking is a good idea for real estate? networking is an excellent idea in real estate. Okay, so yeah, powerful tools, and that's basically it. So yeah, now what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be clicking back, and Robert Krager is the API bot. What we're going to do is embed on a website, and with this what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be copying this, okay, and we're just going to be opening a new window. We're going to be opening a new window, and that basically is the chatbot. So this, you can basically paste it wherever you want, and yeah, now it works. And if you just type in whatever it is, I'm pretty sure it will say I don't know. Okay, cool. Yeah, so that works. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you on the next one. And like, subscribe, comment, tell me if I'm doing something wrong, or yeah, enjoy guys, and love you lots. Mwah. See ya.